Hey there, can you find the square of 43 in just 10 seconds? The answer to this is yes, the square of 43 is 1849. You could also find this in 10 seconds. Let me show you how. Let's find the square of 31 first. So first try to square both of these digits separately. So 1 square is 1 and we have to write it as 0 1. That is in 2 digits. Then we have to square this 3. 3 square is 9. So we have to write it as 0 9. Next we have to multiply these 3 numbers. That is 3 times 1 times 2. That will be 6. And we have to write it here leaving the 1 place. And then we have to write the 6. And let's add these numbers. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 6 is 6. 9 plus 0 is 9. So answer to 31 square is 961. Let's look at the another example 43 square. So 3 square is 9. We have to write it as 0 9. 4 square is 16. We have to write it as 1 6. Next we'll multiply these three numbers. So 4 times 3 is 12 times 2 that will be 24. And we have to write 24 leaving the 1 place here. Let's add these numbers. So 9 plus 0 that is 9. 0 plus 4 is 4. This will be 8 and this is 1. So 43 square is 1849. Let's look at the another example 96 square. So 6 square is 36. 9 square is 81. And the multiplication of these three numbers 9 times 6 is 54. 54 times 2 that will be 108. Leave the 1 place here and write 108. Let's add these numbers. So 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 8 is 11. So we'll write 1 here and 1 will be carry forward. 1 plus 1 that will be 2. 8 plus 1 that will be 9. So answer is this. Now I hope you understood this method. Just find the square of 75 by yourself in just 10 seconds and let me know in the comment section. I hope you got the answer. The square of 5 will be 25. Square of 7 will be 49. And the multiplication of these three numbers 7 times 5 that will be 35 times 2 that gives us 70. Leave the 1 place here. This addition 5, 2, 6. This will be 5. So answer to this is 5625. Let's talk about finding square of any number that ends with 5. So first we have to square this 5. The square of 5 is 25. And then we have to multiply the rest part with its successor. The successor of 3 is 3 plus 1. That is 4. So we have to multiply this 3 with 4. So 3 times 4 that is 12. So answer to 35 square is 1225. Let's find the square of 65. So first square this 5 that is 25. Multiply the 6 with its successor that is 6 times 7 that is 42. So the answer will be 4225. Let's find the square of 205. Let's first square this 5. The square of 5 is 25. And let's multiply the rest part with its successor. So successor of 20 is 20 times 21. And this multiplication 20 times 21 that will be 420. So the square of 205 is 4225. I hope you understood this method. Just find the square of 95 and let me know in the comment section what is the answer of this. Well, now we have already talked about method for finding square of any two-digit number. Now we'll talk about the method which will be used for finding square of any digit number. So let's start. Let's find the square of 31. So first we have to make two parts of this number. So first part is 3 and second part is 1. Let's first square the first part. Just 3 square. And then let's make the two places. Let's square the another part here. That is 1 square. And in the middle we'll multiply these three numbers. I'm writing it as 2 times 3 times 1. So square of 1 is 1. 2 times 3 times 1, that will be 6. And the square of 3, that will be 9. So answer to 31 square is 961. Let's find the square of 43 using this method. Let's first make two parts of this number. Let's write the square of 4. Now let's make two places. In this place, we'll square this number. So we'll square 3. And in the middle, we'll multiply these numbers. So 2 times 4 times 3. So 3 square is 9. 2 times 4, that will be 8, times 3, that will be 24. So we'll only write 4 here and we'll carry 2. Now note that here and here we are only allowed to write one digit. The other digits will be carry forward. So 4 square is 16. 16 plus 2, that will be 18. So answer to 41 square is 1849. Let's find the square of 85. Let's make the two parts. Write the square of the first part, that is 8 square. Let's make the place for two digits. Write the square of the another part, that is 5 here. And in the middle, we'll multiply these numbers. So 2 times 8 times 5. Now 5 square is 25. We'll only write one digit here. Here we are allowed it to write only one digit. So we'll only write 5 here. And 2 will be carry forward. Now 8 times 5 is 40. 40 times 2, that will be 80. 80 plus 2, that will be 82. So we'll only write 2 here. And again 8 will be carry forward. Now 8 square is 64. 64 plus 8, that will be 72. So answer to 85 square is 7225. Now you just have to note, in both of these places you are allowed to write only one number. The other number will be carry forward. Now let's find the square of 3-digit number. So you have to make two parts such that only one digit will be here and the other digits will be on this side. So let's square this 2. And now we have to make place for 4 digits. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And in these two places, we'll write the square of this number. And in these two places, we'll multiply these three numbers. So let me write the square of this number, that is 09 square here. And in the middle, we'll multiply these three numbers. So 2 times 2 times this 09. So 09 square, that is 81. Now here we are allowed to write two places. So we'll write 81 as it is. Now 2 times 2 is 4 times 9, that will be 34. So we'll write 34 as it is. Again we are allowed to write two digit here. So we are writing 34 and 2 square is 4. So answer to 209 square is 43481. Let's find the square of 205. So again let's make the two parts of this number. First part will have only one digit and the other part will have the rest digits. Let's write the 4 square first. And then we'll make place for 4 digits. And let's make the two parts of these numbers. We'll write the 25 square here. And in the middle, we'll multiply these three numbers. So 2 times 4 times 25. 25 square is 625. So we'll only write 25 here. Since here we're allowed to write only two digits, 6 will be carry forward. Now 25 times 4, that will be 100, times 2, that is 200, plus 6, that is 206. So we'll only write 06 here and 2 will be carry forward. Again we are allowed to write two digits here. So 4 square is 16, 16 plus 2, that will be 18. So the answer will be this. Now let's find the square of 7025. So let's first make two parts of this number. Only one digit will be in the first part and the rest number will be in the second parts. Always remember that only first digit will be in the first part and the rest digit will be in the second part. So let's first write the 7 square. And now we have to make 6 places here. 3 places for the square of this number, that is this part. Let's square 205 here, and in the middle we'll multiply these three numbers. So 2 times 7 times 025. Square of 25 will be 625. Now here we are allowed it to write 3 digits, so I am writing 625 as it is. Now let's multiply these numbers. So 25 times 2, that will be 50, and 50 times 7, that will be 350. So we'll write 350 as it is here, since we are allowed it to write 3 digit number here. And 7 square will be 49. So our answer will be this. I personally think that this method is powerful up to 2 digits and 3 digits. When it comes to 4 digits, only simple number can be calculated fastly. When you have something complicated number like 8357, then you have to find the square of this number at this position. So at that time you have to use this method again. This makes this method complicated, but it's still fast than the usual method. Well, there is a quick way to find the square of a number which is close to the power of 10. That is, it is either close to 10, 100, 1000 and so on. So let's see how this method works. Let's find the square of 98 first. So this number is close to 100. And to get this 100, we must add 2 to this number. So let's add 2 to 98. So we get 100. Let's also subtract 2 from this number. So 98 minus 2, so we get 96. So we'll have to multiply these two numbers. And then we'll add the square of the number which we are adding and subtracting here. That is 2. So 96 into 100, that will be 9600 plus 4. That will be 9604. That will be our final answer. Let's find the square of 107. So this number is close to again 100. So to get this 100, we must subtract 7 from this number. So let's subtract 7, we get 100. And let's also add 7 to this number. So we get 114. Then we'll multiply these two numbers. And we'll add the square of the number we are adding and subtracting, that is 7. So this multiplication will be 11400 plus 49. That gives us 11449. That will be our final answer. Let's find the square of this number. So this number is close to 10000. That is 10,000. So to get up to this number, we'll have to add 5 to this number and also subtract the 5. So we get 10,000 here, and here we get 9990. And then we'll add the square of this number, that is 5 here. So this multiplication will be 9990 and this 40 plus 25. So this will be our final answer. Now let's see how this method works. Because understanding the method lets us not to remember the method. We can write the square of any number, that is a square, as a square minus b square plus b square. And we can write a square minus b square as a minus b into a plus b plus this b square. So to get the square of any number, we are subtracting a number which will make this multiplication simpler, and we are adding the square of this number. So this is how this method works. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel 360 Mathematics.